Hello and welcome to Hacking and Securing Docker Containers course. This introductory video will walk you through the details and importance of this course. If you haven't heard the word Docker, probably you are living under a rock. Docker has been being widely used in the information technology world. It is probably one of the most commonly used buzzwords in the past few years. With the introduction of DevOps, Docker has gotten great importance. It brings us great features. With great features come great security issues. Docker is commonly used by development and operations teams in many large organizations. If you are serious about your organization's security, it is important to understand that a simple Docker misconfiguration can lead to serious damage to your infrastructure as well as the organization. So how do we ensure that it is safely used in production as well as other non-production environments? This is where we are bringing this course to you to give you the fundamental Docker security knowledge. This course covers several misconfigurations and practical attacks that are possible within Docker ecosystem. Understanding defenses is as important as understanding the attacks, so we have got you covered there as well. So let's take a look at what we have covered in this course. The first section covers the fundamentals of Docker. In this section, we will learn the basics of Docker. If you are already familiar with Docker, probably you can skip this section and you can directly jump into the second one, which is hacking Docker containers. This section covers a lot of attacks against Docker containers. And the next one is automated assessments. This section covers a bunch of tools that can be used to perform assessments against Docker containers. And the last one is defenses. In this section, we will cover a variety of techniques to protect against various attacks on Docker containers. Well, this is what this course is going to provide you. After finishing this course, you will have a solid understanding of Docker security concepts. Thank you for choosing us, and we hope you will have a great learning experience with us. Happy hacking!